Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to set cover photo on Facebook. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. Now I'll go to my profile by just clicking over here on my name. And now you can see I'm here in my Facebook profile. You can see here is no cover photo over here. Now to add cover photo, over here you can see here is add cover photo. Just click on this and after that you can see here is choose cover photo or upload photo. You can go with anyone from here. If you have a photo on Facebook, you can just click on this choose cover photo. Otherwise, we can just click on this upload photo. Now I'll go with this upload photo. And over here for demo, I'll choose any photo from here. I'll click on this. And after that, you can see it's uploaded over here. We can just fix this by just clicking over here and dragging here and there. For now, I'll leave it like this. And after that, to save this, just click on this Save Changes. I'll click on this Save Changes. And you can see this cover photo is added. So in this way, we can add cover photo on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.